This video is about customizing the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. When you open Excel workbook, it is top left corner of your screen. Quick Access Toolbar is customizable toolbar. You can move the Quick Access Toolbar from one of the two possible locations. First location is default location. And to move the Quick Access Toolbar, you right click on the ribbon where Quick Access Toolbar is and select Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon, and that's where it goes. To add another command to Quick Access Toolbar, all you need to do, move your cursor to any of the button you want to add to Access Toolbar. Let's add bold. So right click it and click here and it's here, bold. Or you can add font color at the Quick Access. If you also click this down arrow, you'll see frequently used commands which Microsoft added on this list. So I generally use print preview and print. I click here, select that one. You can do spell check. You can add any of the command you want. Let's say you added something accidentally, so you want to remove the spell check, you right click again, remove from Quick Access Toolbar, and it is gone. If you don't see the commands that you want to add on the ribbon or in the this preset list, what you can do is you can right click on anywhere and go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then this window opens, and in this window you can add any of the command on the left here. Move it here, or you can just double click, it goes there, or you can, if you want to remove, you double click back, it goes back here. So you can add separators. You see I added some separators, so like undo and redo is in different location, save is different location, and these two font related item, so I want to separate them too, so I go here, I just add separator. So to move it up and down, I move this one up. So let's say I want print preview on top, so I go all the way up, it's on the left. There is another way to open that customized screen. So you can go here, options, file and options, then select Quick Access Toolbar here. That's how you can add and remove buttons. You can double click it, or you can select and add. Same way, if you want to remove, or you can use double click to do the same thing. There's one more option to go into same screen. You click on this down arrow and click more commands, and you are in the same location. So 3 different locations. I generally use right click, which is faster, easier. Go from here to Customize Toolbar. If you like to back up your settings on Microsoft Excel or move it from home computer to work computer or in another computer, share with your friend, there's an import and export option. So if we go to Customize Access Toolbar, and there's, you see here, import export. So let's export it. So save it here and hit OK. So we saved our customization. So if we just go back here and reset everything, Quick Access Toolbar, reset to, you see, everything go back to where we started. So hit OK. So it is like this right now. Let's try to import it. We go to Customize Access Toolbar again, import customization file. So go to same location and select and open. Yes. Hit yes, and when you hit OK, you will see all our customization are back. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful.